student, please subscribe my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and watch all my videos. You will get success, my child. Thank you for watching. Oxidation state of carbon in given compound. Here this is primary alcohol 1 2 3 4. So this is butane 1-all. Okay, name of the compound is butane 1-all. First I'll tell you about this CH2H grouping, then we'll go for this. So in case of CH2H, when carbon is bonded with hydrogen, so hydrogen is having one positive charge. Okay, hydrogen carry one positive and this hydrogen is also having one positive. To balance this, carbon is having -1 -1. Okay, so this is -1 for carbon, and here since oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, so oxygen is having -1 charge and carbon is having +1 oxidation state. Here charge means definitely I am talking about oxidation state. So hydrogen has +1 oxidation state and this hydrogen also having +1 oxidation state. This carbon balance this positive charge by one negative oxidation state, one negative oxidation state. This oxygen is having -1 charge oxidation state, so this carbon is having +1. So the charges are neutral now in this way. Now how many oxidation state? -1 -1 and +1. So we will do total how many negative? -1 into -1 into 2, that is -2 +1, so that is equal to -1. So this carbon is having -1 oxidation state, I have written here, and this CH2 having how many? So CH2 I will write down like this, see, 2 hydrogen. Okay, so each carrying one positive, so it should be having -2 charge. This also having 2 hydrogen, so one positive, so this carbon will having -2 charge. Okay, and this since it is having CH3 group, so 3 H positive are there, so there will be 3 negative. Okay, so this carbon having 3 negative oxidation state. So oxidation state of methyl carbon is 3, oxidation state of this methylene carbon is -2, this methylene carbon also -2, and this methyl alcohol, this carbon is having -1 oxidation state. Now we'll go for alkyne. See, carbon is bonded with carbon, there will be no change in oxidation state, so there is 0 oxidation state in between these two carbon. And here similar way as I discussed here, CH3 3 positive charge, 3 positive oxidation state because of 3 hydrogen, so carbon is having -3. Here also -3. I told you how, +1 +1 +1 3 hydrogen, so this carbon is having -3. Okay, here also +1 +1 +1 3 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen +1, so 3 positive because of hydrogen, so carbon is having -3. 2 positive because of hydrogen, so carbon is having -2. Clear? So here, and now we'll go for